People deserve to enjoy the rest of their life with the youthful vigor that is resting inside of each of us. And what we want to show in these retreats, it's a combination of fun, but it's also a combination of learning different skill sets that are easily integrated into your mind. You practice these while you're down the trip, you bring them home, and then life is completely different when you get home. There's far less stress. You sleep like a baby. You get up in the morning and say, I'm ready for the adventure. And there's just some simple switches that we can pull inside you that you're going to feel so much better. And when I feel better about myself, I think better. It's very, very simple. A lot about what we're doing is, getting control of our emotional intelligence, getting control of the feeling world, the emotional world. And sometimes emotions can be really sharp and rough, but we have the ability to calm down that nervous system, start to make better choices around food, start to make better choices around our exercise and self-care program, start to make better choices about how we see the world and allow the world to see us. And this is all going to happen very, very quickly, everyone. We can pivot in a week and change our life. And I'm so excited to meet each and every one of you and just be a spoke on your wheel of awareness.